Meron. Ay, salamat. Meron din. Teka lang. Alaga ako mga tanim. My trees. Okay na yun. Intindihan na yan. We are now here at the Seasons Cafe at Kempinski Hotel. We're having our lunch, late lunch. That's my boy. Hi, say hi. Hi. Ang pangan ng ball. Hindi ba dito? Joy speed. Joy to the world. And take a look. This is our Seasons Cafe at Kempinski Hotel. Almost finished. Partially. I'm missing Jello. Today ba D-Day?
Day.
Ako si Hindi ba D-Day. Ito yung Day Garuday. Hi.
Hello.
Guys.